Welcome, my fellow explorers of wellness and nutrition, to a journey that will take you straight to the heart of health and vitality. Today, we're diving headfirst into the lush world of extra virgin olive oil, embarking on a 10-day adventure that promises to unlock secrets you never knew existed. Imagine what could happen if you took just 2 tablespoons of this liquid gold every day for a week and then some. Are you ready to discover the incredible benefits that lie within these humble olives? Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a culinary and wellness odyssey that will leave you astonished. Join me as we unveil the magic of 10 days with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Number 10. Enhances immune function. Extra virgin olive oil is recognized for its capacity to enhance the immune system thanks to its rich content of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Consistently incorporating olive oil into your daily diet can increase the effectiveness of your immune system in combating viral and bacterial infections by bolstering the production of immune cells that combat foreign pathogens. Number 9. Blood sugar regulation. Extra virgin olive oil can aid in the management of type 2 diabetes, a condition that can lead to more severe health issues. Type 2 diabetes involves insufficient insulin production or resistance to it. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, is particularly effective at reducing blood sugar levels by promoting insulin production. This makes it a favorable choice for individuals dealing with this condition. Number 8. Heart health. Recent research has indicated that individuals who consume more than half a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil daily have a reduced risk of developing cardiovascular problems and coronary heart disease. The abundant monounsaturated fats in extra virgin olive oil, including oleic acid, contribute to maintaining heart health. Therefore, substituting other sources of fat with extra virgin olive oil, when appropriate, can lead to improved cardiovascular well-being. Number 7. Liver cleansing. The liver is responsible for numerous vital functions, including storing vitamins and minerals, detoxifying the blood, and metabolizing various substances. Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil can aid the liver in performing these functions more effectively, as it serves as a natural laxative and encourages bile release. This facilitates the removal of stored toxins and can be beneficial for those with fatty liver conditions by reducing fat deposits in the liver. Number 6. Cognitive health. Several studies have linked overall brain health to the consumption of extra virgin olive oil. While it's important to note that cooking oils alone cannot cure mental disorders, the polyphenols and antioxidants present in extra virgin olive oil can contribute to maintaining a healthy brain. Olive oil may enhance memory and potentially help prevent cognitive decline, including conditions like Alzheimer's and depression. This dietary pattern emphasizes whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and fish alongside EVOO, creating a synergy of nutrients and antioxidants that collectively support brain health. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind EVOO's impact on cognition, it serves as a delicious and potentially protective element of a diet that promotes both cardiovascular and neurological well-being. Number 5. Recommended daily intake. According to the US FDA, individuals should aim for a daily intake of around 17.5 grams of monounsaturated fatty acids, which equates to approximately 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Consuming a daily tablespoon of olive oil can help meet this recommendation, and in certain cases, a tablespoon can provide a small boost to daily intake. Number 4. Skin, hair, and nail benefits. Extra virgin olive oil offers numerous advantages for hair, skin, nails, and bone health. While it is commonly used as a base ingredient in beauty products for direct application, drinking a tablespoon daily can also provide benefits. It can repair damaged hair and nails, stimulate growth, and improve their overall appearance. Additionally, it keeps the skin well nourished and moisturized. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory and bone health. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, including oleocanthal, a natural phenol unique to olive oil. Oleocanthal has the ability to prevent, reduce, and alleviate inflammation, functioning similarly to ibuprofen by inhibiting enzymes that promote inflammation. Research has also suggested that daily consumption of a tablespoon can contribute to greater bone density. Number 2. Digestive support. For some individuals, a daily tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach can alleviate chronic constipation and promote colon health. Olive oil aids the digestive system, leading to softer stools and smoother movement through the colon. Additionally, it helps protect and repair the colon's mucus lining, particularly when dealing with hard stools. Number 1. Weight management. Extra virgin olive oil plays a significant role in promoting a feeling of fullness thanks to its impact on the satiety hormone serotonin and its aromatic compounds. This can assist individuals in consuming fewer calories and potentially aid in weight loss. However, it's crucial to monitor overall calorie intake and maintain a balanced diet, as a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil contains 119 calories. While extra virgin olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean diets, moderation is essential. Whether you choose to consume it directly or use it for cooking, it's important to incorporate it within the context of a well-balanced diet and adhere to recommended daily intake amounts to avoid excessive consumption. Too much of even the purest substances can have adverse effects. And there you have it, my friends. 10 days of embracing the extraordinary powers of extra virgin olive oil. We've explored its impact on your health, tasted its deliciousness, and witnessed its transformative potential. Remember, the journey to better health and well-being often starts with small, simple choices, and this is just one of them. Before we say our goodbyes, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more enlightening explorations, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. Have you tried this 10-day olive oil challenge? We'd love to hear from you. As always, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep nourishing your body and soul. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay curious, and stay well.